Hello and welcome to Nyam Nyam. Let's make this rice paper sails cake. Pretty in pink and covered in roses. Start by mixing together 150 millilitres of water and a dash of pink food colour. Pour that into a glass container and dip in some rice paper. Place some foil paper onto a baking tin and create some folds along the middle. Then place the rice paper on top. Add pearl sprinkles and chill for 1 hour. Make a few of these. Remove from the foil and there's your rice paper sail. Next, place a vanilla cake on a turntable and pipe on pink buttercream. Layer it up and cover the entire thing in pink buttercream. Smooth it out and then place your rice paper decorations along the sides and on top. There. Add some roses for a finishing touch. We're going with pink to stay with the theme. And a few extra petals. And there you have it, rice paper sail cake. All that's left to do now is slice and enjoy.